Yawan at palakpakan ang sumalubong kina WBA welterweight champion Manny Pacquiao at makakalaban niyang si Adrian Broner sa kanilang grand arrival sa MGM Grand sa Las Vegas, USA. Kasamang dumating ni Pacquiao ang kanyang trainers. May adjustments daw silang ginawa para sa laban na ito para hindi masunog ang katawan niya sa training.
We did a lot of things in training, but we had a couple adjustments for our training camp, especially for recovery, body recovery. They're trying to stop me, but every day in our training there's always negotiation.
Ngayon lang ulit lalaban si Pacquiao sa Las Vegas mula noong 2016.
Hindi ko in-expect na ganito karami yung mga tao na sasalubong. Para bang na-miss nila ako for how many years na hindi ako lumaban dito.
Adrian, the Broner!
Ang makakalaban niyang si Adrian Broner, dumating na tadtad ng diamante ang suot. Humble at malumanay si Broner sa grand arrival. Hindi gaya ng mga karaniwan niyang interview na maaanghang ang mga salita niya.
And you seem to be enjoying being the underdog in this fight. Why is that?
Because I know I know the talent God gave me, and I'm confident in myself.
What can you say to everybody who's saying that this is just prelude to Mayweather-Pacquiao?
Well, hopefully they'll have a different change of heart on Saturday night.
We did some things a little differently. For one, we added a world-class strength and conditioning coach. But for two, I mean, he came to camp ready to get ready, and we put together a great game plan and strategy, and he's ready.
He looked like he really wants to win this one.
He's going to win this one.
Maraming Pinoy ang nagpakita ng suporta sa pambansang kamao.
Manny! 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 Na-miss namin si Manny for 2 years na hindi siya nag-fight sa Las Vegas.
Yes.
So, we're here to support him again.
Buhay na naman ang Las Vegas!
Welcome back to Vegas, Manny! Welcome back!
Anong prediction niyo sa laban na to?
Manny siyempre.
Panalo,
panalo.
Round 2,
KO.
Broner, knockdown!
Round 6.
May kanya-kanyang manok na rin ang mga manonood ng laban.
Broner, definitely gonna win. Right now, in my personal opinion, he's a greater fighter. Yeah, he definitely is gonna win.
I like Manny Pacquiao. I got Manny Pacquiao on this one.
Tubating din ang undercard fighters kabilang ang Cebuanong si Jack Tepora na makakalaban ni Hugo Ruiz sa featherweight division.
Sobrang saya kasi binigyan ako ng pangalawang undercard niya tapos sa Las Vegas pa iba yung boxer na nangangarap na lumalaban dito tapos ako pa yung nakuha ng Sir Manny.
WBC Bantamweight Championship naman ang paglalabanan ni Raushi Warren at Nordine Obali. Habang sina Badou Jack at Marcus Brown ang maghaharap para sa WBA Interim Light Heavyweight title. Kaninang tanghali nag-gym training si Pacquiao. Nakalimang round ng meet sila ni Coach Buboy Fernandez. Tsaka nag-shadow boxing, jump rope at core exercises. Light training na lang ito dahil 100% na ang kondisyon ng pambansang kamao.
As a head coach kasi, hindi ko nilalagay sa utak niya na tutumbahin natin o ano. Kasi mahirap pilitin tapos hindi natin makuha. Paano yung susunod na round? Magandang laban po to. Uwi ho kami ng Pilipinas na maaga. Dalawa ho ang corona.
Kahapon nagkaroon din ng media workout si Broner. Pag-amin ni Broner, masasabing dream come true ang laban sa linggo.
I'm doing this to let everybody out there know just follow your dream and don't never let nobody tell you that you can't do something. That's my boy right there.
Samantala nasa 10,000 na raw ng 14,000 tickets ang nabebenta sa MGM Grand Garden Arena. Liyamado pa rin si Pacquiao sa betting odds, plus 230 si Broner. Ibig sabihin, mananalo ka ng $230 pag pumusta ka ng 100. Minus 280 naman si Pacquiao. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mong pumusta ng $280 para manalo ng 100.
Mav Gonzalez, GMA News.